Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and we are going to fix the apps crashing. Restart your pad. This is a very quick fix and very useful fix. Hold the power button and volume up. Click it actually. Hit restart and restart. Everything should be working nice afterwards. Or if it's frozen, but I don't think it is, you need to force restart it with holding the power button and volume down for the 15 or 20 seconds until you see the HONOR logo. This should clear the temporary system glitches. Now, as you can see, our tablet is turned on, and we can now try to update our crashing applications. Go to the Play Store, and as you can see, here we are offline, where we are not. So now you need to tap this profile picture in the top right corner, and here tap Manage Apps and Device. Here tap See Details and update the applications that are crashing. Here, for example, if it's YouTube, update YouTube. If it's Tile Explorer Triple Match, tap Update. And preferably you can update all the applications that need to be updated. And it's because old app versions often crash on newer Magic OS updates. Clear app cache, which is actually very effective. Go to the settings, go to the apps section over here. Here, manage apps, and select here from this list the application you have it crashing. For example, let me select here Chrome. Now tap storage, and here tap clear cache. It fixes corrupted temporary files and it does not delete your data. If you want to delete your data and if you want to have your application working like a brand new without any data, you can here click Manage Storage and clear our data over here. But you need to remember that, it's just irreversible and you need to log into your accounts back again and do everything back again. Free app storage space. If storage is full, apps will crash. Open here the apps. Not maybe app section, and here manage apps back again. But of course I'm telling you this because if you don't know where we are, here remove every single application that is useless for you. Let's start with it. So let me, for example, show you Instagram. It's my useless application. Uninstall. Okay, if you did uninstall a few applications, here now you need to go to the storage section and now remove large videos. Set at first you need to search for this section that, as you can see, uses the most storage. As you can see, apart from applications, it is system or other. Let me, for example, focus now on videos or images. So go to the Google Photos application or the Photos application on your device, like gallery. Here Photos, and turn off. Delete now the files that you see here that are useless for you. And that should be it. Goodbye.